Gentlemen, if you're over 60 and feel like your body isn't what it used to be, your mornings are slower, your energy fades faster, and your confidence isn't quite the same, listen closely, because today I'm going to share something that most men never hear from their doctors. It's not a pill, not a supplement, and not some expensive treatment. It's a simple vegetable one you can find in any grocery store that, when eaten every morning, helps restore male vitality, improve blood flow, and support natural hormone balance. And the best part, you'll start to feel the difference in just a few days. So stay with me till the end because I'll explain exactly how it works, how to eat it, and why men over 60 experience such powerful results. Hi, I'm Dr. Selena Clark, urologist and men's health specialist. For more than a decade, I've helped men in their 50s, 60s, and 70s regain energy, confidence, and performance naturally. And over the years, I've noticed something incredible. The men who include certain natural foods in their daily routine age differently. They stay active, alert, and even sexually confident while others start to fade. And the difference often comes down to one simple daily habit: what you eat first thing in the morning. Let's talk about what really happens as men age. After 40, your testosterone levels slowly begin to drop about 1% every year. By the time you reach 60, your hormone levels, circulation, and muscle function are very different from when you were 30. That's why you might notice lower morning energy, slower metabolism, weaker erections, loss of muscle tone, or even mood swings and low motivation. But here's the truth. Most men don't hear these changes are not permanent. Your body still has the power to rebuild, repair, and restore vitality if you give it the right nutrition and blood flow support. And that's where this special vegetable comes in. The vegetable I'm talking about is beetroot. Yes, the same deep red vegetable that most people overlook or only eat. In salads, beets are nature's secret weapon for men. Over 60, they're packed with natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels, increases circulation, and improves oxygen delivery throughout your body, including to your most sensitive areas. And this isn't hype, it's pure science. Nitric oxide is the same molecule that medications like Viagra try to mimic, but beets help your body produce it naturally, safely, and daily. That's why athletes drink beet juice before races. It gives their muscles more endurance and oxygen. For older men, it has a similar effect: more stamina, more energy, and better blood flow where it matters most. When you eat beets regularly, here's what starts to happen inside your body. 1. Improved blood flow. Beets open up your arteries and help blood circulate more efficiently, reducing blood pressure and improving oxygen supply. 2. Better energy production. Your cells get more oxygen, which means your body feels less tired and your muscles recover faster. 3. Hormone support. Beets are rich in boron, a natural mineral that supports testosterone production and metabolism. 4. Heart and prostate health. The antioxidants in beets, like betalains, fight inflammation, protect your prostate, and keep your cardiovascular system healthy. 5. Enhanced confidence and performance. With better blood flow and hormonal support, men often report stronger morning energy, better stamina, and renewed drive. It's nature's way of recharging the male system without chemicals or side effects. Now let's talk about how to use beets correctly. And there are 3 simple ways to take them every morning. 1 raw beet smoothie, 1 medium beet peeled and chopped, half an apple, 1 small carrot, half a lemon, 1 cup of water. Blend it all together and drink it on an empty stomach. 2 beet juice, pure beet juice, about 100 to 150 milliliters, taken 30 minutes before breakfast. 3. Roasted or boiled beets. You can also roast or boil beets and eat them with a bit of olive oil, salt, and lemon juice. The key is consistency. Take it every morning for at least 2 weeks, and your body will start to thank you if you really want to boost the effects. Combine beets with these 2 natural partners. 1 garlic helps further open blood vessels and supports heart health. 2 pomegranate increases nitric oxide even more and provides antioxidants that protect male hormones. Just a small mix of beet juice with a teaspoon of crushed garlic and a few pomegranate seeds can be a morning powerhouse drink. In 1 clinical study, men who drank beetroot juice daily showed up to 20% improvement in blood circulation within 2 weeks. Another study found it helped lower blood pressure and improve physical performance in older adults. And in my own practice, I've seen men in their late 60s regain incredible energy and confidence simply by starting their day with this natural routine. They sleep better, feel stronger, and even their partners notice the change. Now, don't make the mistake. Most men make some, try it once or twice, then stop because they don't see instant results. But your body needs a few days to rebuild nitric oxide levels in circulation pathways. Be patient, stick with it daily. Also, avoid adding sugar or artificial flavor to your beet drink. It kills the natural effect. And if you're on medication for blood pressure, check with your doctor before starting beet juice regularly. To make your results even stronger, walk for 20 minutes every morning. Do light leg exercises or stretching. Sleep 7 to 8 hours nightly. Stay hydrated, avoid smoking or excessive alcohol. These habits combine with beets to naturally restore circulation energy and masculine power. So, gentlemen, if you're over 60 and tired of feeling tired, remember this: your body hasn't given up on you. It's just waiting for the right fuel. Start your day with one simple vegetable. The beet let nature do its work, and within days, you'll notice stronger energy, clearer focus, and a renewed sense of vitality that feels decades younger. Because sometimes the best medicine doesn't come from a pharmacy, it comes from your kitchen. I am Dr. Yasmine Elara, and if you found this helpful, share it with another man who deserves to feel strong. Again, stay healthy, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.